ስለዚህ ንሕና እንታይ ጌርና ኣለና ኤሊቬት ዝብል ናይ ፎሬክስ ስልጠና ናይ ፎሬክስን ናይ ክሪፕቶን ስልጠና ተዳልዩሎ ኦኬ እዚ ስልጠና እዚ ካብ ቤዚክ ጀሚሩ ክሳብ ኣድቫንስ እዩ ዝህብ ሓደ ካብቶም መምሃራን ኣብዚ ምሳይ መፂሎ ጄራርዶ ይበሃል ወይ ከዓ ጂማኒ ንብሎ ጂማኒ ዝፍለጥ እሱ ናብዚ ከምፃልኩም እሞ እቲ ክላስ ከመይ ይመስል ብእንግሊሽ ይኽህበኩም ሕፅር ኣቢሉ መብርህ ክህበኩም እዩ welcome first I just want to appreciate you for coming
oh you're welcome
okay
great presentation by the way I'm glad to be here it was excellent I didn't I don't speak the language but that's the whole point guys I don't speak the language
but you can feel the energy right
you can feel the energy but at the same time the visual is really important
up to elevate memhriu memher ጥራይ ይኮና head 90 education you forex full time ስሩሕዩ ጽቡቅ ጌሮ ኻይድ ፈልጦ ሙሉ ግዚኡ በዚኡ ዝነብር ማለት እዩ እዚ ጽቡቅ ጌሮ ይዝፈል ንብዛሓት ሰባት ኣብዚ ምሂርዩ ካባይ ጀሚርኩ ማለት እዩ
and just a little bit about me my name is Gerardo and my trading name I guess is G Money Pius and I'm the forex one of the forex educators here at ELLEV8 we have the forex and we have the crypto and I had the privilege and to now be the head the lead forex educator and I've only been trading since some time now. It's going to 5 years. Before that I had no experience on trading. I was okay in math but you really don't need to be okay in math to understand forex. You really have to have a dream and you really have to have a vision to what you want. Trading forex it's one of the best financial vehicles that you can take control of your life. And that's the reason why I wanted to help here because the multi-language is not there with forex. So I have a trading system that that I'll briefly share that I want that trading system, that trading education to be translated all over the world. Easy to understand and easy to navigate. So
እዚ ናይ ፎሬክስ ማርኬት ክሰርሕ ተኾንካ ጽቡቕ ስምዒት ወይ ከዓ ድሌት ክህልወካ ኣሎ ነቲ ፍሪደም እሱ ከዓ ኣብዚ ናይ ፎሬክስ ማርኬት መምህር ስለ ዝኾነ ስሙ ነጊርኩም ኣሎ ጄራርዶ ጂማኒ ኻኢልና ኢና ንጽዋዕ ብጂማኒ ዝፍለጥ ሶ ኣብዚ ናይ ፎሬክስ ማርኬት መምህር እዩ ብዝተፈላለየ ቋንቋ ከዓ ተተርጊሙ ንብዙሓት ሰባት ከዓ እታ ዋና ፖይንት ዝተዛረባ ብኻልእ ዝተፈላለዩ ቋንቋ ተተርጊሙ ብዙሓት ሰባት ክበጽሕ ከዓ ድሌት እዩ so that's why you have በዚ ንሕና ቋንቋ ክሕግዘኒ ልመጺ ማለት እዩ
here's whenever we're learning we always look at a chart but every time that I do a class this is my trading page my where I teach the trading system that I want to show and I'll do it briefly and then I'll show you one example but in reality trading it's the beautiful thing about trading is all you have to do is buy or sell. You can trade directly from your phone. You don't need a fancy system and it's just a matter of knowing how to press the buttons and that can easily once one person knows it and they can translate it in a different language the rest it just becomes repetition and that's the reason why it's important to for me to be able to teach a system the way I look at the market okay the way I look at the market is by supply and demand who is in control the buyers or the sellers we can slow down the translation go ahead
ማርኬት ዝሪኤሉ መገዲ ብክልተ ይሉ መን ይዝቋያጽሮ ዘሎ ቶም ገዛእቲ ደም ዋላ ቶም ሸየጥቲም ዝቋያጽሮ ደሎን ቀረብን ጠለብን ማለት እዩ ሕጂ መን ይተቋያጽሮ ደሎ ነቲ ማርኬት እሱ ይሕጂ ክንግረና
absolutely yeah so when the sellers or when the supply is in control prices will usually go down okay Abiel
okay suppliers ዞም supplier ቀረብ ቋያጽሮ ኸለው እቲ ዋጋ እንዳጎደለ ይኸይድ supply ቋያጽሮ ኸለው ማለት እዩ
And when the buyers are in control, prices usually go up. Okay, the prices go up.
Okay, tom buyers tom ገዛእቲ ክቋጽሩ ከለው ነቲ ማርኬት ካ እንዳደየበ ይኸይድ ማለት እዩ ወይ ካ ጠለብ በሐፂሩ እንታይ መስልኩም ጠለብ ክበዝሕ ከሎ ዋጋ እንዳወሰኸ ይኸይድ ቀረብ ክበዝሕ ከሎ ብዙሕ ቀረባሎ ግን ዝገዝእ ክውሕድ ከሎ ካ እቲ ዋጋ እንዳጎደለ ይኸይድ ማለት እዩ
Excellent. And so so that's usually my number one step. Identify who is in control. Once you know who is in control, the next zone is the equilibrium zone. And the equilibrium zone is usually where we enter.
Okay. حنسب تقدميت وانا نجبرا منيو نتعداقات قواطيرو زلو حنسب تمن نتعداقات قواطيرو خمزلو مسفلتنا تخاليت نجبرا equilibrium ويكا ابت معرض تاشم بالانس زخونلو معرض زخونلو equilibrium ترديكمان نعوينا نعاينا نري او اخاينا ناتو تا انترانس متويتنا تخون نتا معرض جبرالات نتا تخور تصنيح شعو قرب دايبو معرض مسكونه شعاينا خاتا ناتو نافت ماركت مالتي
Awesome. And yeah, and this is the system that I teach on Sundays in English and Spanish. And as I mentioned, right, I want this system to be easily translatable and easy to understand, you know, in as many languages as possible, right? And yeah, I think we did a great job.
Yeah, we did it.
But here's the important thing, right? When you know the simple movements so well that you can perform them without thinking, you are free to pay attention to more advanced details. Okay, so my main focus is, can you see consistently these candles? Once you can see these candles, the advanced things come, right? Where do you put your stop loss, where your take profit is, but the most important thing is who is in control and where do you enter, and obviously as well, right, where do you put your stop loss? Just in this scenario, right, on a rally-based rally, the stop loss usually is right here at the low of this candle. That's a little bit more detail that, you know, we can work on translating later, but this is a system that, you know, we teach at ELLEV8, or that I teach at ELLEV8 for students.
Okay. So ሕጂ እንታይ ይድብለና ኣሎ እዚኣ ንኹል ነገር ብቀሊል እዩ ሕጂ ቀሊል ተገይርሎ እዚ ቀሊል እዚኣ ዘርአየና ብቀሊል ክትርጎሙ ይኽእል እዩ ብቀሊል ከዓ ናብ ብዙሕ ሰባት ክበፅሕ ይኽእል እዩ ብዙሕ ሰባት ክትጥቀሙሉ ይኽእሉ እዮም ሓንሳብ እዚ ምስ ተለማመድኩሞ ብቀሊሉ ኣብቲ ቻርት ክትርእይዎ ምስ ከኣልኩም እቲ ኣድቫንስ ዝኾነ ነገር ድሕሪኡ ብቀሊል ይድመፅእ ስቶፕ ሎስ እዩ ኣበይ ተኣቱ ኣበይ ትወፅእ ማዓስ ታሽሙ ትገብር እሱ ዝቐለለ ነገር እዩ ዝኾን ግን እቲ ሕቶ ዝኾነ ዜና ኣብዚኣ ዝረኣኹመን ኣብቲ ቻርት ክትሪኢኹም ክትረኽብዎን ትኽእሉ ዶ እዩ ዝኾን እቲ ሕቶ ማለት እዩ
But yeah, Bill, that's my 2 cents. Hopefully, I was able to bring value to you guys. And
by the way, you gave us the advanced class, so thank you so much. That's a lot of value.
Well, believe it or not, Bill, this may seem advanced, but I want to make this the new basics. You know, yeah, this will be. Well, I mean, not in general, but once you understand this system, it is easy to duplicate, but obviously we're translating, but you know, I think we did a great job.
Yeah, እንታይ ፕላናቱ ከም ዝበሎ እቲ ኣድቫንስ ኢዚ ክገብሩ እየ ዝደሊ ዘለኹ ኢሉ ቤዚክ ክገብሩ እየ ዝደሊ ዘለኹ ኢሉ እቲ ሰባት ከቢድ ገይሮም በቃ ብዙሕ ነገራት ወሲዶም ክርድእዎ ዝፍትንሎ ቤዚክ ሌቨል ድሕር ኮይኑ ድሕሪ ቀሊል ነገር እዩ ስለዚ እዚ ኣዝዩ ወሳኒ እዩ ድፋጫኻ ክሰተ ኣይድለይኩም ዝበልኩኹም እዚ ምስራኽ ወይ ኣነ ኣይ ኖው ደ ሪዛልት ብዙሓት ሰባት ስርሖም ገዲፎም ኩሉን በዚ ጥራይ ውሕድ ሰዓታት ትሬድ እንዳገበሩ ጥራይ ገንዘብ ክገብሩ ዝኽእሉ ዕድል ተፈጢሩ ኣነ ከዓ እዚ ኣብ ናይ ስፓኒሽ ኣብ ናይ እንግሊሽ ብጣዕሚ ፅቡቅ ከይዲ ሒዛ ከዓ ኣነ ከዓ ናብዚ ናብ ናሃና ሕብረተሰብ ኣምፅእ ኣለኹ ማለት ስለዚ እዚ ነገር እዚ ከየምልጠኩም ምዝገቡ ትደልዩ ዋትስኣፕ ሊንከይ ናተይ እውን ኣብዚ ንዝያዳ ሓበሬታ እንድሕር ኮንታክት ትገብሩኒ ትደልዩ ኮንኩም ዋትስኣፕ ሊንክ ኣብዚ ክንገልፈልኩም ኢና ኖ ኣነ በቃ ፅቡቅ ተረዲኒ ኣነ ዝሓልፈኒ ኣይደለኒ ትብሉ ከዓ ኣብዚ ናይ ሬጅስትሬሽን ሊንክ ክንገልፈልኩም ኢና ብኡ ጌርኩም ተመዝገቡ ምስ ተመዝገብኩም ግን ኮንታክት ግበሩኒ ኦኬ ተመዝጊብኩም ስቕ ኣይትበሉ ምስ ተመዝገብኩም ብዋትስኣፕ በዚ ዝገረፍናልኩም ኮንታክት ግበሩኒ ምክንያቱ ግሩፕ ስለ ዘለና ንሕሕና ንመያየጠሉ ከምዚ ኣይድያ ሼር ንገብረሉ ውፅኢትና ፖስት ኣብኡ ሼር ንገብረሉ ግሩፕ ስለ ዘለና ኣብቲ ግሩፕ ከዓ ምእንቲ مسانا حبيركم كتعيو حتوتات لكم كتحاتو منازو بجروب كون كلها ازيو زقللن دبلصن اذا عدل زي كيملطكم حدراكم كبلكم يفتو نصانتكم كتوجلو تخولو ناي قطاباوا حرنت كترخبلو تخولو ازيو بلص عدليو ግን ነዚ ከምዛ ዓይነት ክላስ ክትወስድዎ ትሬኒንግ ክትወስድሉ ጽቡቅ ጌርኩም ክትምሃርዎ ስለዘለኩም ዋጋ ክትከፍሉ ኢኹም ድሕሪኡ ከዓ ውጽኢቱ ከዓ ክትርእይዎ ትኽእሉ ኢኹም ፕሊዝ ጀራርዶ ግን ጂማኒ I really need to appreciate you. Thank you so much. If you need to say something, we can say.
No, we're good. Yeah, just maybe just one last thing. Yeah, no, I appreciate everybody. Thank you for your support and appreciation. Trading is learning a new language. Okay, so the very basic things is like learning ABCs, right? What I taught today is learning those small phrases that will help you communicate. So you may not understand it today because it's a new language, but the best thing we can suggest is just stay with the community, stay close, and little by little, the more you hear, the more you speak a little, and the more you practice, it slowly, this new language, you slowly start to understand it.
Yeah, so እንታይ ዝብለና ደሎ ጽቡቕ ቋንቋ ተጠቂሙ ትሬዲንግ ሓድሽ ቋንቋ በቃ ሓድሽ ቋንቋ ቀስ በቀስ ኢኹም ትለማመዱ ምናልባት ገለገለ ሕጂ ኩሉ አይተረዳእኹም እዚ ሎ ማዓን ዝሃብናኩም ኣዝየ ወሳኒ ነጥቢ ግን ኩሉ አይተረዳእኹም ክትኮኑ ትኽእሉ ኢኹም ፀገምካ ይብሉ ልክ ሓድሽ ቋንቋ ክትለምዱ ግን አትሊስት ገለ ነገራት ክትርድኡሉ ክትረዳድኡሉ ምትኽእሉ ቋንቋ ግን አትሊስት ይብናኩም አልና ሎ ማዓንቲ ግን ሎሙ ዋላ ተዘይተረዳእኩም ብዙሕ ዝተደጋገመ ቁጽሪ ብዝተደጋገመ ብሰማዕኹሞን ብዝራእኹሞን ግን ቀስ እንዳበለ ልክ ከም ቋንቋ በቃ በትክክል ቋንቋ ይገልጾና ትሬዲንግ ናቱ ዝኾነ ቋንቋ ሎ ማዓንቲ ቤዚክ ዝኾነ ነገር ተዋይብኩም ኣሎ ደጋጊምኩም ምስሰማዕኹሞ ደጋጊምኩም ምስራእኹሞ ግን እቲ ቋንቋ ክትለምድዎ ክትርእይዎ ሞኻ ቦኻ ክትዓቢሉን ትኽእሉ ኢኹም ኣዝዩ ከዓ ተጠቕመኩም ማለት እዩ
Okay, Abiel, thank you
so much Jimani, thank you, appreciate it for
great day.
see you soon.